Good afternoon. We're here on the GBP USD. It is currently just a few seconds past 15:45, and ITM Proteus is indicating a future high move on the time frame with a high probability of success, as indicated by the right-hand Proteus analysis panel. So what we're going to do is go for a short-term 5-minute GBP USD high trade here for a $1,000 fixed investment. And once we're in the trade, we will wait and come back to you just before expiry to analyze both the trade entry as well as results. All right, we're back with roughly 34 seconds remaining in this GBP USD 5-minute high trade taken on the basis of ITM Proteus's suggestion for a high trade coming up next with a high probability of success. We are currently just a few seconds away from expiry, and price is staying comfortably above the entry point, which also fortunately is acting as a fairly strong zone of support, coupled with the fact that we have an ITM Proteus medium strength support boundary over there as well, pushing the price further away from the entry point. We're now just a couple of seconds away here from expiring, and we have now expired in the money for what will be a $700 profit on a $1,000 fixed investment based on this ITM Proteus trade on the GBP USD here. With ITM Proteus, you have the advantage of Proteus being a leading indicator. It allows you to delve into what the market is likely to do next, as opposed to standard indicators that are classed as lagging indicators. You can see these on the left hand here in the additional confluence metrics panel that has been developed for your reference, including the RSI, exponential moving average crossover with dynamic periods, the ADX, CCI, and MACD indicators. Now, with those indicators, they are all lagging indicators, which is not a bad thing. It just means that they are talking about what the market has done up until this point, whereas ITM Proteus is a leading indicator that uses price action and other factors to consider what the market is likely to do next on the next bar, or the next 5 bars in the case of a 5-minute trade, as it is designed to evaluate. So not only do you have the leading indicator telling you what is likely to happen next, also coupled with a probability factor being low, medium, or high. As a moderate to conservative trader, you should only opt for medium or high probability evaluations shown to you by Proteus on your chart, whichever chart you have it deployed on. And for added confluence or for additional confirmation, if you don't want to go just with the leading indicator, you want to have an overall picture of what's going on, you can refer to the left-hand panel, the additional confluence metrics panel, that gives you information from other indicators that are available inside MetaTrader, are part of the MetaTrader suite, but are developed for you in a way inside ITM Proteus such that you're able to get a clear-cut decision on what those indicators are saying, as opposed to having a whole bunch of lines, histograms, and crossovers on your chart cluttering up the place and really confusing your analysis more than improving it. So by looking at the additional confluence metrics section on the left-hand side, you get an immediate answer as to which indicator is saying what about the market. Is it going up? Is it going down? Period. Finished. On the right-hand side, you have Proteus analysis telling you what is likely to happen next in your next time frame. In this case, the next move, 245 seconds away, is the same as the move we took, which was also a high with a high probability of success. So both these tools combined, coupled with dynamic supports and resistances calculated by Proteus for you, much like Genesis Elite, where you had 5 boundaries, you have 3 in this now: medium strength, high strength, and highest strength. Those are key levels of support and resistance depending on what the price is doing at that point in time. So by taking one look at this chart, the design as well as the algorithmic side of things makes it extremely easy for you to immediately gauge what your likely move is going to be next. And that is one of the best features of ITM Proteus that a lot of traders are appreciating and using very successfully on the market on a daily basis since its launch. Thank you.